Hi guys, this is Abhishek Acharya from Deepa Aquarium, Mumbai, and this is Aqua Fish Spa. The 4-tank sitting setup had been done by Deepa Aquarium Fish Spa at Koramangala area. This is a highly posh area in Bangalore. So see how we have done the setup. We have done this 4-tank sitting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, we have branded this shop name Aqua Fish Spa on this net also, and on our chair also. So this is a proper setup we are giving. This is a high quality setup. Plus we are having wheels also, so it is easily movable. Plus glass is also very tough, very heavy glass. No need to worry about it. Then our filtering system is there. Your water will be crystal clear. The lights we are having, you can change the color to light to green, red, blue. Total 7 to 8 different types of colors are there. Plus 2 different variations you can change it. Blinking also, or color changeable also. Plus you get warranty on fishes for 4 months. When we come, we bring extra fishes to you. That is complimentary free at the time of setup. Plus we are having a mini inverter. If electricity goes, then also you don't have to worry. Your backup will be there for this whole setup for 8 to 10 hours almost. Then food, medicine, it will be given to you for 4 months warranty. Now what other dealers are doing? Other dealers are telling you that they will give you for 6 months. But for 6 months they will give you only 300 to 400 grams. I am talking about 2-tank setups. And in 2-tank setups we are giving you almost 2 kg plus food we are giving in 2-tank setup. So you can easily estimate that how people are cheating by telling 400 grams can last for 6 months. And we are giving almost 2 kg, more than 2 kg of food for 4 months. The whole setup, electronic products inside, filtering system, air pumps, backup machines. Every equipment have warranty on it, proper warranty is given. Then you can brand this, have your brand name on this as per as you want. So right now we have done 4 setups over here. So we'll talk with the owner of this shop. So hi ma'am.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Joyce and I'm here in Bangalore. We have made this Aqua Fish Spa here in Koramangala 5th block, Bangalore.
Okay.
We shall give the address and phone numbers
Okay,
in the description.
So are you happy with this fish pedicure setup which we have done it?
Yes, we are very, very happy as I can say that this is a stress-free spa that they have kept.
And
actually.
right now we have changed the water. So but previously you came and you sat on this, have you done your fish spa? So how was the water? Water was cold or water was normally warm water?
No, water is warm. So
Okay.
it is better because Bangalore climate is always sometimes very cold and
Yeah.
it keeps changing. So
Okay.
it is good that the water is warm and it feels good.
So can you share your number to the clients?
Yeah,
if
sure,
anyone want to
definitely.
come or anyone want to ask you or anybody wants fishes, you can also supply from us also. Because
Sure.
somebody have issues of money issues that they would think that if you send to Bombay money, that their money will be fortified or no one will send the fishes. So they can directly deal with also you. So you tell me your number.
Yeah, sure. My number is actually you can see this pamphlet here.
Okay.
This is
Okay, you can have this number guys. You
Yeah.
can call this number and you can come and visit and do fish pedicure also. And if you are interested in fishes, if you are not trusting Deepa Aquarium to have direct fishes, you can come to this ma'am, you can directly pay her and she can arrange you fishes and give you live fishes from us. Okay, what are the charges? That will be different charges because she will be doing her own risk factor will be there to her to bringing the fishes to her place and giving you fishes properly. So what the rate may be, she may be charging as per as that fishes. Okay, and there are different varieties of doctor fish. What we have added in this doctor fish are highly good quality fishes which are called farm bred fishes. These are not local or jungly fishes. So this is almost, no, I will ask with ma'am only. Ma'am, this is almost your second day because 20th we did the setup, it was almost ending the day.
Yes.
21st, 22nd, when we started the fish pedicure, on 21st and 22nd, between 2 days, how is now the result and what was in first day result? Can you explain that?
No, first up we ended up with the setup. So yesterday and today actually they are 100% doing pedicure.
Okay.
Our fishes. So we
Okay.
are very happy with the fishes.
And as far as our temperature also we increased little bit, so
Yeah.
that is very good.
Yes, it is very good
Yeah.
because when customers come, I don't want them to feel that the water is cold.
Okay.
It has to be warm and even it is safe for fishes as well.
And had Deepa Aquarium given you proper training for 3 days, that you tell your
Very
client?
nice, trustworthy person, Deepa Aquarium. Please do approach him and contact him for any setups like this. If you want to start a shop
And-
or for fishes, for anything about the aquarium, please contact Deepa Aquarium. And he is 100% trustworthy. Though he is from Mumbai, he's a nice person. You can trust him.
So now ma'am, we are actually in very different mode, okay? We are actually planning some different things. Right now many orders come to my place, okay? It lands to me that some people want the setup for rent purpose, okay? Now I am from Mumbai, I can't supply to Bangalore guys for rent or anyone to rent. So right now we are having like that way that our setups where they are in Bangalore or any other places. Now we are telling that at least from there our client comes, we can easily give them for rent, for marriage function, for birthday parties, for any function if they want. Okay, they can have at the rent. So will you able to supply that thing
Definitely,
to customers?
definitely. For any kind of event like Abhishek said, birthday party, marriage, anything, like corporate functions, let it be any kind of an event, please do contact me. I can give my setup for rents.
Yes, that's very good. So ma'am, anything you want to tell the viewers right now about the
I'm
setup?
very happy if anybody from Bangalore or from any place, if you are a tourist coming to Bangalore, please do come and visit our spa.
Sure.
You will really feel nice.
See, the ma'am has done this setup, but also she had done this fish tank setups also over here. Okay, this is very new concept actually in fish park that people are now going with fish tanks also. Now she is selling fish food also, which is very affordable prices. Means from any aquarium shop you will get at a best price. This fish food MRP is 275, but ma'am is selling for 120 rupees. If you buy in bulk also, maybe she will give you at a less price. This food you will get only for 15 rupees with ma'am in Bangalore. Nicely set up bowls. This is live plants with light, full feng shui setup, vastu setup. Plants are having roots also. These are betta fishes. So like this beautiful setup man done. These are the benefits, Aqua Fish Spa. Then do's and don'ts. Everything is written. Beautifully done setup. So always support a woman who is doing the fish pedicure or any business. These are the benefits given by Deepa Aquarium. These are also given by Deepa Aquarium, hygiene protocols. Because of sterilization is there, UV sterilization is there, that's why we give hygiene protocols. You are now entering a stress-free zone. Nice thing. So if you are in Koramangala area, Bangalore, do visit our fish spa, check our fish quality, and we are the only company in India who gives 4 months warranty on our fishes also, and proper setup is given to you. So if you want to do a setup from us, you can contact us, Deepa Aquarium. If you are in Bangalore, you can contact directly our this setup also with ma'am. You can talk with her. Okay. She can also guide you how to do the setup and everything. She will guide you. These small tables also we are given. with the branding is there. And let's see the fishes how they are coming fast or not. Okay, we will check it out. See how many seconds fishes are coming. You only check. See, I am putting my hand. See, within how many seconds my hand will be full. It's hardly 5 seconds and my hands are full. You can comment me and you can tell me also. See guys. The main thing our setup is that we do a proper setup where fishes health is not compromised nor client hygiene is compromised. We don't want that our fishes should die and you should purchase the fishes from us and we should have a business like that way. No. We want your fishes to stay alive as long as possible, as long as you earn the profit, high profit you earn. Because if your fishes don't die, then only you will have a high profit. So guys, if you like this video, please like our channel Deep Aquarium and share this video to your friends who want to do some business, want to earn. We can do this setup anywhere in India, anywhere in Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, even Mauritius, even in Gulf country also. If we get an opportunity anywhere, good place, we can do it. And these are having chairs, so wheels they are having, so it is easily movable. You can easily take it to corporate level, any birthday functions, anywhere you can move it. So guys, thanks for watching my channel Deep Aquarium.